Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today with a quick little share. I have received some of these bales from Panda Haul. I will link the unboxing here. You will also find a link to Panda Haul in my description box below, as well as a link to this item. Hopefully they are in stock. But so this is just a I forget how many bales come in here, but there's quite a few, as you can see. And I just used some E6000 pretty much at the end of the tube almost. And I have some resin flat backs that I've attached to these bales with the E6000. So just a really quick share. And these are the charms that I've made with those bales and the resin flatbacks. So I hope you guys are having a crafty day. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Please consider liking and subscribing and joining me on this crafty journey. For more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas.